What is up, YouTube? Modern Mods back with a Honda Civic upgrade mod, whatever you want to call it, more of an upgrade. Today we're going to be switching out our cabin air filter with this awesome one here. I picked this one off of Suncent Auto, link down below always, and discount code in there as well, so you can kind of check that out and get yourself a little deal. But I'm going to show you exactly how I am going to be swapping this out, show you how great this is, and just explain some reasons on why you need to make sure you do this. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this swap. So guys, just to showcase it, the reason I didn't go with your basic standard one that you can pick up at an auto parts store is because I wanted to get a slightly better, more efficient one, and that's exactly what I'm gonna be getting today. So the reason you want to swap out your cabin air filter is if you just don't do it or never done it, it's a good thing to do. It cleans out the air. It really blocks all the toxins and dust and dirt and all that stuff that you get from driving, because the air does come from the outside to the inside. Even if you use the recirculation a lot, it's still sucking out air from the outside, sucking in air from the outside, I should say. And this one has some extra protection and just all around a better product than your standard cheap, I don't even know the brands of the ones you can pick up at the stores. Very easy to do if you've never done one before, and I'll show you exactly how. Airflow markers showing you which way you want to put it in. I'll explain that while we're installing it. So let's go ahead and jump right into the install. Okay guys, so we're here on the passenger side of the vehicle, and what we're going to do is drop down our glove box, and be aware of any of the things you have in here. They could fall, to save yourself the heartache. And if you're anything like my lovely lady, you have too much stuff in here. So we're going to take all of her wonderful things out, including some random coins. Okay, so now that you got it cleared out, again, push on both sides and it'll come down, and then you'll see the cabin air filter door. All right guys, so now that you're here at your cabin air filter door, you can see there's two tabs on each side. All you're gonna do is just stick your finger, you can get on this one easier, and push it in, just like that, and it will release it. Same, push it in, and it will release it, pop the door down, and then you can see your old cabin air filter. So, talking about the airflow, as you can see, the airflow is down on this one. So that means that the air is coming from the outside and going down in through your blower motor and all that, and then blowing in your car. So you want to match that sequence when you're putting in your new one. So we're going to take out her old one, which is fairly clean actually, and we're going to install our new one. Okay guys, so I got my new one right here. I'm going to slide it back in. Airflow matching the direction it's telling me to put it there, down. And it sits in nice and easy. Then you can take your door and just click your door back on, and you are all set. Okay. Just like that, guys, making sure you're all locked in place and everything. And it's just that simple. Simply push up on your glove box and it will pop back in place. And now you can put all your items back inside. Just like that, guys, you're done. A simple 1-2 minute job. An absolute must for your vehicle. Always make sure you change out your cabin air filters for your safety and just the freshness of your car. It will obviously make your blower motor work better because you won't be clogged up. Everything will blow better. You'll have clean air. And yeah, it's just a good thing to do. But like I said, I picked this up from Suncent Auto, the link down below to this product. Check out their website, guys. They have tons of other things than just cabin air filters, vehicle specific, that is too. I'll be doing some products on my Ram from them, and so many more awesome products that they have. So feel free. They're not just parts, they're parts, accessories, lights, all that. An awesome website. Totally cool company with a bunch of cool things. And, as a modder, you got to love websites like that. There's just all-in-ones. I love that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please feel free to comment down below if you have any questions or anything like that. Always like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget that link down below. Use that discount code, get you some money off, and you guys have a great one. Peace.